For this month, February 2021, they had a fundraising. Cut! Hello and good day! This is me once again, my Pilapil-Amante, and come join me as I unbox yet another purchase of an artwork. Okay, this time this came from Cheyzer Manalo. So first, when I heard her name, I thought she's a guy. So because of her name, Cheyzer, you know, like when you use the chaser to drink liquor. So that's I find her name very interesting. But as I do with other artists, I check their Facebook profile to learn more about them, and then I learned that she is a lady artist. She's a self-taught artist which came from Bauan, Batangas, and she is part of the group, artist group Batangueño. Okay, Grupo Batangueño. Okay, now let's try to unbox her package. I was trying to negotiate the shipping cost with her and wanting to send it via JME because they usually charge you with cheaper amount, but she said that she didn't want to compromise her artwork with the shipping because with her experience she really liked the services of LBT because it feels more secure with the shipping of her artwork. This cost me 300 pesos, which is on top of the artwork purchase. The total cost for the shipping is actually 308, but she already sold her the 8 pesos. The artworks are not in a box type canvas or they are unframed. Okay, so it was an option to really send it in a more simple packaging or box. Okay, same as what other artists did. But as I said, the artist prefers doing this type of packaging. Okay. The box is apparently bigger than the artwork, but then she also had them bubble wrap. Okay, same with the artist. The artworks came with certificates of authenticity. Okay. So she placed it in this cover, plastic covers with hard back covers. Okay. Let's start with this first. I was able to discover Ma'am Cheyzer through another local artist. They belong to a group, and recently, this February 2021, they started a fundraising for one of their friends, who's another local artist, Mr. Taljik. Unfortunately, he died recently. So the fundraising was supposed to help the family for his medical and hospital expenses, and of course right now for the memorial services as well. With fundraising such as that, the local artists would usually pull artworks and they would sell the pieces in a lower price just so they can be sold easily. So this one, okay, is an artwork of a kingfisher, and this is the certificate of authenticity. Let me read through it. This certifies that the following is an original painting made by the artist Cheyzer E. Manalo. The title, Worry Not, number 4, because it is on a series. The size is 9 inches by 12 inches, and the medium is acrylic on canvas. She made this last year, and she also puts in a serial number for each of her artwork. Okay, signed, Cheyzer E, Manalo, February 17, 2021. Okay, Worry Not. So she is quite famous for her artworks about nature, mostly on birds and flowers and ladies, or like goddesses or diosas in the local folklore. So I like this painting very much, and I was able to think of acquiring this artwork after I got the watercolor artwork from another local artist. So I am planning to hang this beside that watercolor artwork. Okay, so we'll try to remove it from the cover, the hard cover. So I hope it doesn't get ruined. This is the back side of it, canvas sheet. Okay, very nice. No? So the bird is trying to feed nectar from the flower. Okay, next we have another artwork, another bird artwork. Okay, so let's open the certificate of authenticity. Let me read the citation. This document certifies that the following is an original painting made by artist Cheyzer E, Manalo. The title is We Rise, size 8 inches by 10 inches. The medium is acrylic on board, made last year 2020 as well. Signed by the artist last February 17, 2021. Okay, so she told me the story about this artwork, and it is part of a series. We rise, we heal, we overcome. And she made this last year, January last year, during the wrath of the Batangueño eruption. As she is also coming from Batangas, she is a direct witness of the impact of the damages of the volcano eruption. So that's why she said that it is somehow abstract, because of the chaos of the painting, because of the wrath said again brought about by the Taal volcano eruption. Okay, but this is already the second installation of the series We Rise. That's why we have the bird trying to flutter away and going up. The direction is going up because it's already rising up. Okay, so this is on canvas board. Okay, let's see. That's why it is harder. Okay, it has form compared to the canvas sheet shown earlier. This is actually not the entry that she put in the Oplan Taljik online art exhibit for their friend, but I was able to really put interest on one of her artworks there, and she recommended and offered me her other pieces that are not included in the exhibit, and these are the ones that I chose. Again, I had a deal with her, which is what I call the bundle deal. That's why I had 2 artworks purchased at once, and she was really willing enough and gracious enough to give me a good price for these 2 artworks. So I'm very happy with that. So Cheyzer is also a contemporary artist featured by Mr. Blanza in his book The Alphabet of Filipino Contemporary Artists. Aside from that, she was also featured in an international book or magazine in the Netherlands. Once again, I will have them sent to the same frame shop in Tanawan City, Batangas, and it will take just a few days before they will be finished. So let's wait for a little while before we have the unwrapping of the framed artworks. Thank you for watching! Goodbye!